Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Wix website template. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar of it you will have to type wix.com. After that, you just have to log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. Now once you've successfully logged in, by default you will be on this type of page where you need to go to your sites. In order to do so, you need to navigate to the top left hand corner and you will have to click on the name of your website. After that, you will have to click on the option of go to all sites. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the website that you are currently using. Now if you want to create a new template, then you will have to click on create new site, and then you just have to create a new template. Now if you want to move your domain from one template to another, you must have a Wix premium plan. So if you have one, then you will have to click on your profile icon in the top, and then you need to click on domains. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your domain name, its details, and right next to it you are going to see these three dots. So you simply need to click on these three dots, and after that, among the given options you will have to select assign to a different website. Once done, you will be able to see a pop-up in front of you where you just have to do nothing but to just click on the next tab, and then you just have to click on the next tab again. After that, you will have to click on the option of assign domain, and after that your domain will be moved from one template to another. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.